Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to sign into Apple account or Apple ID on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Basically, you want to head over to the settings of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, and then at the top you just want to tap on the Apple account option. Now from here you have two options to sign into your Apple account or Apple ID. The first option is to sign in using another iPhone or Apple device. For this option, all you just have to do is to tap on it and then bring any of your Apple device that currently have your Apple account or Apple ID signed in closer to your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, and you should automatically sign in directly from this other Apple device. But if you don't want to use this particular option, you can also sign in manually by just clicking on the sign in manually option over here. Proceed to enter your Apple ID, email or phone number. I'll go ahead and enter mine. Once you're done entering your Apple account email, all you just have to do is to click on the continue button at the bottom, and then you also have to enter your password as well. And once you're done, you just want to click on the check button at the bottom, give it a couple of seconds and you're good to go. Now you might also be required to enter a verification code from any of your other Apple device, so I'll just go ahead and enter mine. And as soon as you enter the code, you should be able to successfully sign into your Apple account on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Now you just scroll down, agree to all of the terms and conditions. Now after a couple of minutes, you might also be required to enter your iPhone passcode. I'll go ahead and enter mine. Go ahead and enter your passcode one more time, and just like so, our Apple account is now fully signed in. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.